How to make sentence. Making sentences in English can seem difficult at first, but with some practice and guidance, it becomes much easier. First, it's important to understand the basic structure of an English sentence. A simple sentence usually consists of a subject, a verb, and an object. For example, I ate breakfast. I is the subject, ate is the verb, and breakfast is the object. To make a sentence more complex, you can add adjectives, adverbs, and prepositional phrases. Adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs, and prepositional phrases describe the relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. For example, you could say, I ate a delicious breakfast quickly. Delicious is an adjective describing breakfast. Quickly is an adverb describing ate, and a is a preposition connecting ate and breakfast. Another important aspect of making sentences in English is understanding subject-verb agreement. In a sentence, the verb must agree with the subject in number and tense. For example, he walks is correct, while he walk is incorrect because walk does not agree with the singular subject, he. To improve your sentence-making skills, I recommend reading and practicing writing sentences. Try to use different sentence structures and vary your vocabulary to make your sentences more interesting and engaging. Additionally, there are many online resources and grammar guides that can help you learn more about sentence structure and grammar rules in English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep practicing, and you'll be making great sentences in no time.